So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes. Today a very important session for all those who want to make their career for school interview. I hope स्टूडेंट बहुत से टीचर्स को ये इंटरव्यू बेनिफिट देगा और खास करके साइंस टीचर्स को ये इंटरव्यू बहुत बेनिफिट देने वाला है। तो उम्मीद है हमारे दोनों चैनल्स पीडी क्लास और इंटरव्यू गाइड से आप बहुत कुछ सीख रहे हैं। दोनों चैनल्स पर आपको पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, स्पोकन इंग्लिश, इंटरव्यूज और बॉडी लैंग्वेज की वीडियोस मिल रही है। तो मैं वेलकम करता हूं सबसे पहले संजू बाला आपको। संजू बाला, यू बिलोंग टू कोटा।
यस।
ओके, सो कोटा में आपको कितने ईयर्स हो गए पढ़ाते हुए?
3 years.
3 years. ओके, एज अ थर्ड ग्रेड टीचर।
यस सर।
ओके, और अब आप महात्मा गांधी इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में आना चाहते हैं।
यस सर।
तो सबसे पहले संजू बाला, सिंस आप साइंस के टीचर बनना चाहते हैं तो मैं कुछ साइंस के क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहता हूँ।
यस सर।
तो आप ये बताइए कि आप साइंस के टीचर क्यों बनना चाहते हैं? व्हाट इज द रीजन?
Sir, I am a creative girl and its subject is full of innovation and new ideas.
Okay.
And there are many problems that develops our intelligence and sharpness our brain.
ओके, सो यू बिलीव दैट साइंस के अंदर इतनी चीजें होती है, इतने न्यूमेरिकल्स है, इतनी चीजें हैं
Yes.
जो हमारे ब्रेन को शार्पन करते हैं।
Yes.
तो यू आर अ क्रिएटिव गर्ल, दैट्स व्हाई यू ऑप्टेड
Yes.
साइंस। चलिए, इट्स गुड। तो थोड़ा साइंस बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी पूछूं और आपके पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस भी मैं यहाँ पूछूंगा।
Okay.
चलिए, सबसे पहले मुझे बताइए मैग्नेट को डिफाइन कीजिए आप।
Sir, magnet is an object which has a magnetic field and magnetic field has important properties of magnet. That magnet repels and attracts some ferromagnets and metals like cobalt, nickel, steel, etc.
ओके, कैन यू टेल मी द टाइप्स ऑफ मैग्नेट्स
Yes.
प्लीज?
Sir, there are 2 types of magnet. First is natural magnet and second is artificial magnets.
ओके, और यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स क्या होता है?
Sir, unit of force is Newton.
व्हाट इज द साइंटिफिक नेम ऑफ विटामिन ए?
Retinol.
और विटामिन ए से जो डिजीज होती है डेफिशिएंसी से, वो कौन सी होती है?
Night blinded.
ओके, इट इज नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस। चलिए, अब मुझे ये बताइए कि एक रिलेटिविटी का फॉर्मूला है, क्या आप वो बता सकते हैं?
Yes.
बताइए।
Sir, E equal to mc square, where E is the energy and m is mass and c is the speed of light.
ओके, और ये किसने दिया था?
Einstein.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। संजू बाला, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू बी अ टीचर?
Sir, it is a noble profession which makes calibers, characters and future of an individual.
Okay.
And I respect and regard this profession from the bottom of my heart.
Okay.
And I am very inspired from my mother-in-law who is also a government teacher. According to APJ Abdul Kalam, who is my ideal, teaching is the ability of a teacher to give their experience and knowledge to their disciples.
ओके, वेरी वेल। चलिए, आई वांट टू आस्क यू अनदर क्वेश्चन, दैट व्हाई शुड वी सिलेक्ट यू?
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you give me this opportunity, and I am a determined and dedicated towards teaching. I will justify your selection with my sincere efforts, and I really need this opportunity to show my strengths.
Okay, why do you choose Mahatma Gandhi English Medium School? You are already a teacher as a third grade in government.
Sir, although both schools are mother of knowledge,
Okay.
and I respect these both schools, but I want to change for my betterment,
Okay.
and I want progress in my life, and I am a competitive girl.
Okay, so you love challenges.
Yes.
चलिए, it's nice. Please tell me about your family.
Sir, we are 3 members in our family, and my husband is an agriculture supervisor in Kota University,
Okay.
and we are blessed with a fairy daughter.
Okay. Sanju, please give your introduction.
Sure, sir. I am Sanju Bala. My name means philanthropist, and I am very much similar to my name. I am kind-hearted and helpful person,
Okay.
and I belong to Shri Ganganagar, which is known as the food basket of Rajasthan.
Right.
And I have been teaching as the third grade teacher of science and maths since 2018. And my hobbies are reading and teaching, and I am versatile person, and I am jovial and teen spirit in my nature. And I want to join Mahatma Gandhi English Medium School, and my strengths are that I am a punctual and hard-working girl.
Very nice.
Thank you.
अच्छा, मुझे ये बताइए, what are the qualities of teacher?
Sir, a good teacher is aware of his responsibility, and he must understand the psychology of student, and he should have good command on his subject. And a mother gives birth, but a teacher gives worth. A student is like a clay, and a teacher can mold it in any form, either God or devil. And the work of teacher does not finish with the giving homework and teaching. And education has magic which transforms billions of hearts. I am trying to spread this magic, and a good teacher makes good citizen for nation.
Very nice. That's great. Awesome.
Thank
Really, I appreciate. Sanju,
Yes, sir.
how will you handle weak students in your class?
Sir, I call these students slow learners, not weak students.
Okay.
Sir, first of all, I will checking their sitting arrangement. I will not allow to become backbenchers
Okay.
and make them to sit between two intelligent students.
Okay.
And I will plan surprise tests for them, and I will give them extra classes. I will ask some questions during my teaching, and I will allow to read them chapter in my class,
Okay.
and I will convert them into brilliant students.
Very nice. Really, keep it up. So nice answers you are giving, and I want you to progress more in life. Okay. I believe this particular session will be fruitful to all the students, those who want to be a successful teacher, and really thankful to you for participating in this interview. Keep it up. Blessings.
Thank you.
Okay.